5 fat-burning foods you didn't know about. Many people throughout the world want to lose weight for health reasons, as well as to improve their appearance. They experiment with different diets, supplements, and fitness routines in the hopes of seeing positive results. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about top 5 fat-burning foods you didn't know about. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Fat-burning foods include certain qualities or substances that have the potential to boost your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories more efficiently. They are sometimes referred to as natural fat-burning foods because they use natural substances. While no one food can burn fat on its own, some can help you lose weight and burn calories more efficiently when combined with a healthy diet and an active lifestyle. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic complement to a diet that is designed to burn fat because of its high protein content, which helps with satiety and contributes to the thermic action of food, which leads to higher calorie expenditure during digestion. It is possible that the calcium component of Greek yogurt can have a favourable effect on the metabolism of fat. It has been demonstrated through research that calcium can reduce the formation of calcitriol, which is a hormone that promotes the storage of fat. Calcium helps your body shift toward using stored fat for energy, which aids in fat reduction. This is accomplished via calcium's ability to lower calcitriol levels. Combine your unsweetened Greek yogurt with berries that are high in antioxidants to improve both the flavour and the nutritional profile of the yogurt. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritious powerhouse and a preferred choice for individuals who are trying to remove fat from their bodies. Eggs include a high-quality protein that not only makes you feel fuller for longer, but also has the potential to reduce the amount of calories you consume throughout the day. Furthermore, research has demonstrated that beginning the day with a breakfast that is high in protein can result in increased feelings of fullness and satisfaction, which eventually contribute to weight loss and a reduction in the amount of fat that is stored in the abdominal region. Eggs include a high amount of protein and are a source of critical nutrients such as vitamins A, D, and calcium, all of which are essential for maintaining physical health and a healthy metabolism. These antioxidants act as a defense mechanism against oxidative stress, protecting cells from the damage caused by free radicals and boosting the efficiency with which your body burns fat. When it comes to fat-burning meals for weight loss, eggs are a fantastic choice to incorporate into your diet. Additionally, because of the high amount of protein that they contain, they are an excellent choice for fat-burning foods for both men and women, and they may be an excellent addition to meal plans. Number 3. Dark chocolate. When consumed in moderation, dark chocolate, which has a high cocoa content of at least 70%, can be an unexpected addition to a diet for the purpose of burning fat. Cocoa, which is very high in flavonols, which are plant-based compounds that are known for their potential health benefits, is the most important component in this recipe. Flavonols have been demonstrated to enhance insulin sensitivity, which provides assistance in the regulation of blood sugar levels and lessens the likelihood of fat storage accumulation. In addition, these chemicals possess anti-inflammatory characteristics, which might contribute to a healthier metabolism. The choice to consume dark chocolate, rather than sweet milk chocolate bars, is a prudent one because dark chocolate offers the advantages of cocoa without the additional sugars that might lead to weight gain during consumption. Dark chocolate is one example of a fat-burning item that may be incorporated into a diet as a tasty weight loss method. Research has shown that eating dark chocolate can increase brain health and cognitive function. Consuming dark chocolate that contains a high proportion of cocoa has been shown to increase cognitive function, including attention, processing speed, and working memory, according to a study. Number 2. Green tea. With a long history of usage in traditional medicine, green tea is well known for its potential health advantages, particularly its function in increasing fat burning. Green tea has also been used for a long time in traditional medicine. Due to the fact that green tea contains a number of components that contribute to its fat-burning properties, it is a popular choice among those who are trying to assist their progress toward their weight management goals. One of these components is caffeine, which may be found in green tea. Caffeine has the ability to stimulate the central nervous system, which can result in higher energy expenditure and improved performance during intense physical activity. There is a correlation between moderate use of caffeine and increased fat oxidation, which makes caffeine a beneficial aid in the process of fat burning. However, epigallocatechin gallate, which is a potent antioxidant, is the actual star of the show when it comes to fat burning from green tea. A great deal of research has been conducted on EGCG, which has demonstrated its capacity to stimulate the metabolism and raise the rate at which the body burns calories, both while it is engaged in physical activity and when it is at rest. Number 1. Salmon. The consumption of salmon is abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, notably EPA and DHA, which contribute to the reduction of chronic inflammation, the improvement of hormones that regulate metabolism, and the enhancement of insulin accessibility. Salmon has a high-quality protein that contributes to the maintenance and development of lean muscle mass. Your resting metabolic rate will increase as a result of this, which will result in the continual burning of calories throughout the day, even during periods of inactivity. When you are looking for foods that burn fat and help you lose weight, you should consider including salmon on your list. Moreover, salmon is one of the finest meals for burning belly fat due to its high-quality protein and omega-3 content, making it one of the top foods for those who are specifically looking for fat-burning foods for belly fat. By introducing foods that are high in nutrients and burn fat, such as Greek yogurt, dark chocolate, and hot chili peppers, into our daily meals, we may take advantage of the potential benefits that these foods have to offer, which include acceleration of the metabolism, regulation of hunger, and promotion of a leaner body composition. The adoption of a balanced diet that includes these fat-burning foods, regular exercise, and good lifestyle choices can provide a holistic approach to obtaining and maintaining a healthier body. Although there is no magic answer for weight loss, eating a diet that is balanced and includes these fat-burning foods can help. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.